लोग तो 15 साल की उम्र से ही तैयारियां करनी शुरू कर देते हैं. Similar question was a question that was asked in my UPSC interview. If it is lawful, we must try and do it. If it is unlawful, then obviously we will not do it. And it's more challenging than being in bureaucracy.
Hope so, ma'am. Who knows, in future you may.
No, don't hope. I don't. The 3 things I feel are very important.
Really, ma'am, I really want to know ब्यूरोक्रेसी में, जहाँ तक मैं कोई यहाँ पे प्रेजुडाइज सेट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बट यूजुअली ब्यूरोक्रेट्स आर नॉट वेरी टेंड टू फाउंड टुवर्ड्स
Fitness. But don't you think generally वो change हो रहा है? Not just in bureaucracy, generally people are more conscious about their fitness and health these
It
days.
was like big credit goes to COVID, I guess.
I don't know, but ये जो मेरे ख्याल पिछले 10 साल में ना मैराथन, हाफ मैराथन ये सब शुरू हुई है, so people find it very enjoyable to run. So generally, I think the level and consciousness towards fitness and health is increasing. लेकिन मैं तो स्कूल कॉलेज सब में मतलब एथलेटिक्स एंड सम काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू डू, सो इट्स समथिंग दैट आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट.
So as such आप बचपन से ही स्पोर्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व है.
हाँ.
So how you feel कि स्पोर्ट्स आपके एक ब्यूरोक्रेटिक में, like we all know in bureaucracy it's a very stressful job, how you see sports giving you some kind of escapism?
Not escape, but I think it leads. It's a positive contribution to your personality, and personality में जैसे स्पोर्ट्स, जैसे मैं टेनिस खेलती हूँ तो टेनिस में जो आपको कंसंट्रेशन चाहिए होता है. सो when I was preparing for the civil services exam, I used to play tennis every day. तो I could really draw parallels between जैसे आप टेनिस में you have to concentrate, you have to keep your eye on the ball. So that really helped in increasing my concentration in studying for 7 to 8 hours every day. So sports has these benefits as well. It leads to an overall development of your personality.
जैसे मैम आप सिविल सर्विस की प्रेप की बात कर रहे थे, somehow मेरे माइंड में एकदम से क्लिक हुआ कि what was your reason for towards civil services?
I really don't know what was the reason. It's difficult to pinpoint any one reason, but I think my father has been in the civil services as well. तो मुझे हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं लगता था हाँ that this is a job that I may like to do. So although I decided quite late in life कि ये करना है, लोग तो 15 साल की उम्र से ही तैयारियां करनी शुरू कर देते हैं. I decided late, but yeah, so I think at the back of my mind मेरे को था कि हाँ ये it's a good thing that I can do.
मतलब जब आप एकेडमिक लाइफ में थे मैम तो आपने तब डिसाइड नहीं किया था?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं बिल्कुल किया था. I finished my college in 2006 and I wrote the exam in 2012. So I was doing other things.
मतलब kind of in corporate sector?
Yeah, in private. I was working in the sports industry actually.
Okay, sports industry.
Yeah.
So वहाँ से फिर somehow civil service का आपका?
हाँ. I realized actually मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is no job in which you can contribute so much, and there is no job जिसका इतना large scale impact आप you're not in a position to make such a large scale impact in any other job in the country, I feel.
That's very true, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think that I realized when I was working in the other sector.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I want to shift towards a social media segment here. तो बहुत लोगों ने जब ये इस फैक्ट को जाना कि मैं आपके साथ इंटरेक्शन कर रहा हूँ, तो many people were very excited and they really see you as an inspiration.
So sweet of you. I don't know why, but
तो मैम कुछ क्वेश्चंस सेलेक्ट किए हुए हैं उस हिसाब से. सो
बताओ.
सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस हुए हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे आए थे बट आई हैव सेलेक्टेड 2. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद इट. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय साक्षी. शी इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम हिंदू, फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट, and her question is, the active political involvement cause some hindrances in their does it cause some hindrances in your actual idea of development of the nation, or does it affect the process of your work?
मैं उसको हिंड्रेंस नहीं कहूँगी. एंड आई टेल यू वन थिंग, दिस वाज नॉट एग्जैक्टली बट अ सिमिलर क्वेश्चन वाज अ क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन माय यूपीएससी इंटरव्यू. so Sakshi has asked a very intelligent question. लेकिन मैं इसको हिंड्रेंस नहीं कहूँगी क्योंकि वी आर इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. सो ऑफिसर्स का रोल है to fulfill to work towards fulfilling the aspirations of the people ultimately. So if a political representative who is democratically elected, अगर वो उनका कुछ requirement है या कुछ है, so we must listen to it. If it is lawful, we must try and do it. If it is unlawful, then obviously we will not do it. लेकिन ये hindrance मैं नहीं कहूँगी. ये एक इट्स अगेन समथिंग दैट जो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं जब आप काम करते हो, तो इट इज़ अ फैक्टर दैट यू हैव टू गिव वेटेज टू, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल दे आर पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. दूसरी चीज़ है कि अगर ये जो हम पॉलिटिकल इन्वॉल्वमेंट कह रहे हैं, सी दे आर अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी. ऑल ऑफ अस आर. तो अगर लोगों के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ही चाहते हैं कि कुछ हो या कुछ ना हो, देन वी हैव टू गिव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वेटेज टू दैट.
यस मैम.
तो उसको हिंड्रेंस के फॉर्म में मैं नहीं कहूँगी, बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एक ये पूरा जो हमारा इकोसिस्टम है उसमें ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं. तो सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है, उसको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है where they are coming from. However, again, like I said, what is lawful and what is not lawful, we need to find the right balance.
Yes ma'am. Hope so. साक्षी, आपका क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो गया हो. मैम ने बहुत ही अच्छे से इसे एक्सप्लेन किया. The next question is by Subhan. His question is, why don't you went to politics when you know there is a huge difference between legislature and executive?
See, I think in India, getting into politics is it's very challenging, and it's not everyone's cup of tea. I think it's more challenging than being in bureaucracy. तो अब ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि it's a career option that some people take if they feel that they have an aptitude for those kind of things. I don't think I have an aptitude for being in politics.
लाइक जैसे मैम आपके फादर भी जो थे एक बहुत ही सीनियर सिविल सर्वेंट है अभी भी राधा, और बहुत ही अच्छा उन्होंने एग्जाम्पलरी वर्क किया हुआ है अपनी फील्ड में. तो मैम कई बार आपको ऐसा नहीं लगा कि आपने ब्यूरोक्रेटिक वर्ल्ड को इतने पास से देखा है, तो आई शुड शिफ्ट टू पॉलिटिक्स और समथिंग?
नो, नेवर. बट एक एप्टीट्यूड की भी बात होती है ना. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव दैट एप्टीट्यूड ऑफ बीइंग इन पॉलिटिक्स.
Hope so ma'am. Who knows, in future you may.
No, don't hope. I don't have any such ambitions.
Hope so. सुभान, आपके क्वेश्चन का भी मैम ने आंसर सही से दिया और अच्छे से आपको क्लियर हुआ हो. So now ma'am, we are in the end of this conversation. I am really enjoying this. I just don't want to end this, but we are short of time. Ma'am, there are many, I must say, students, youth, women out there who see you as an inspiration, who see you as a source of, I don't have words, but they see you as an inspiration in any ways. आप UPSC के लिए कहे या आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो उस हिसाब से. So if you could give them a message, what it would be?
Message कोई एक ऐसा मैसेज देना मुश्किल है. However, there are 3 things I think that everyone should do no matter what you do. One, you should have clarity of thought. Second, you should have the conviction in yourself. और जो हमने पहले भी कहा कि to do what you think is right. So वो conviction होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And related to the first 2 things is the courage to then जो भी stand आपने लिया है, you have to have the courage to stick to your stand. And these 3 things you can apply to any aspect of your life. You can apply to studies, you can apply to job. So these are the 3 things I feel are very important: clarity, conviction and courage. So
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप कुछ भी करते हैं, ये 3 चीज़ें अगर आप करने की कोशिश करेंगे, I think you will be successful and you will be happy.
And ma'am, to all those women who see you as an idol and want to become independent one day, what do you want to tell them?
Independence is a state of mind. So you said independent one day. I think we are all independent today if we think we are independent. और अगर आप specifically women के लिए कहते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि playing sports is a very liberating thing and that makes you very confident. तो ये एक चीज़ and it's never too late in life. So you can start playing a sport, you can start running, you can do anything, and that gives you a lot of confidence.
Yes, ma'am. I hope so you enjoyed this conversation.
I did. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me and my team, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this podcast. I hope you guys really learned many things from this podcast and indeed from Avni ma'am. And if you want to check out more videos, if you want to check out an amazing life of the officers, then check out this video. And if you want to check out how is life of a politician, then make sure you check out this video. And if you want to subscribe my channel, if you like my content, then click here and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.